Thank you for your interest in SheerWhite. I'm Carolina with the CAO Group. Please watch this video and take a short survey in order to qualify for your free sample. SheerWhite is our professional teeth whitening strips containing 20% carbamide peroxide. SheerWhite is exclusively sold by Henry Schein Dental. SheerWhite is available in a intro pack which contains 6 patient kits or a bulk kit which contains 24 patient kits. In each patient kit you will get 5 trays. Each tray contains 2 strips with a total of 10 strips. Some of the benefits of SheerWhite are no messy impressions, no custom trays, and virtually invisible while wearing them. To show you the convenience of using SheerWhite, we're going to have our own patient of the day. His name is Josh. Josh will be demonstrating how to apply SheerWhite strips. Each SheerWhite tray comes with 2 strips. Easy and convenient to open. The sticky side, it's the side that you will place against your teeth. Basically, you lift up the strip. No need to customize anything. The strip actually has the ability to stretch. So you can place it from premolar to premolar or from cuspid to cuspid. While Josh places his strips, we're going to show you that the sticky side goes against your teeth. You can actually stretch it to be able to form it to your full arch. Then you're going to fold it to your lingual side, and then you can actually mold it and go interproximally in order to avoid zebra effect. We will now place the lower, again with the ability to stretch it in order to customize a good fitting. Fold it on the lingual side, and you can actually use your nails to go interproximally to get a better fit. As you can see, it is convenient. You can actually continue your activities throughout the day. We suggest that you use the strips 1 to 2 hours. Use a full treatment, which is 5 days, in order to get up to 5 shades whiter. Once again, thank you for watching. Please answer the questions below in order to qualify for your free sample of SheerWhite.